her answers to discovery on June 3rd, 2025. We pay for everything that is within our possession that she asked for.
Well, I don't know what it is that's different. This is a resubmitted inquiry. So to the extent that they say they're willing to give it to you, so then we're going to order them to produce that.
Yeah, but she just said he's hired and fired.
She just also said she would not object to necessarily a performance review.
Yeah.
She's objecting to anything that they believe is proprietary information. And it could get down. I mean, if it's that serious, I would have to take the item, if it's there in camera, and try to look at it and see if there's anything, quote, that's proprietary or violates the law that should be redacted.
And Your Honor, maybe this would be the best way to do it is I have no problem producing those things. If I review it, realize, okay, there's some confidential proprietary information, I can file a motion for a protective order.
Okay, that's fair. Okay.
But Your Honor, I had more than just that one.
Well, ma'am, okay, can we just get to the next one?
I didn't know if you.
I got a list of things I'm showing. So can I go down my list? And if I'm missing something, then we'll let you add it.
Yes, you may.
Okay,
My apologies.
no problem. So we have the plaintiff also claiming that the defendant's answer to interrogatory number 6 was incomplete and that the vendor for the ice blade scraper. Now, defendant did supplement their answers on June the 20th and did provide some photos of the product, including labels, ID tags, and the name. So it was unclear what information you were seeking other than that.
Yeah, that's not a supplement. That's their original.
Right. That's what I'm saying. They gave you photos, labels, ID tags, and the name.
Yeah, but they said that the further information I was inquiring about, they said they didn't have it.
Which is what?
I have it right here. 1 second, Your Honor.
Sure.
Thanks. Okay, let me just state, Your Honor, that when they did supply the documents I requested and the questions, the answers to the interrogatory, they combined them in a nonsensical way. They
What does that mean?
The defendant, they named the interrogatory document request. They named the document request interrogatories, and some of the pages go from 1, 2, 3, and then then there's a gap in the numbers. It's like somebody just threw them up in the air and put them together and said, hey, mix it up. We want to confuse her. So, it's not even.
Yeah.
If I were to go through it like at a trial, it's not in the order that it should be.
Well, I do have a note that says that we looked at the interrogatories and 5 to 10 seem to be missing. But then when we looked further, apparently they were